In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot Grok AI answers cleanly. Quick tutorial 2026. If you've ever wanted to share a Grok AI response without clutter or distractions, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and clean so your screenshots look professional and easy to read. Start by opening your browser and going to grok.com. Any modern browser works, but a recently updated one will give you the smoothest experience. Once the site loads, you're good to go. Logging in is optional but recommended. When you sign in, your chats and progress are saved, which makes it easier to find past answers and keep everything consistent across devices. If you'd rather not log in, you can still follow along. On the homepage, you'll land in the main Grok AI interface. This is where your conversations appear, with your prompts and Grok's responses in a clean chat layout. Make sure the page is fully loaded so elements don't shift while you capture. To pull up a past answer, open the History or Conversations area, usually found in the sidebar. This view shows your previous chats so you can quickly revisit anything you've already asked. It's ideal when you want to screenshot a response you liked earlier. Select the chat that contains the answer you want to capture. Give it a moment to load the full thread. If you only need a specific message, scroll so the exact response is centered on the screen. Before taking the screenshot, prep the page for a tidy look. Hide any distracting pop-ups or tooltips, and scroll so just the relevant question and answer are visible. If there are expandable sections like code blocks, open them so the content is fully shown. Adjust browser zoom to 100% or 110% if that makes the text crisper. A neutral theme, like light or dark mode, can also help with readability. Choose whichever contrasts best. When you're ready to capture, use your computer's built-in tools. On Windows, you can press the print screen key to copy the whole screen, or use Windows plus print screen to save it directly to your Pictures for Screenshots folder. For more control, press Windows plus Shift plus S to open Snipping tool. Choose a rectangular snip, drag to select the exact area around the Grok answer, then save from the notification that appears. On a Mac, Shift plus Command plus 4 lets you select a region, and Shift plus Command plus 5 opens additional capture options. After capturing, quickly review the image. Crop out sidebars or browser tabs, blur any personal details if needed, and save with a clear file name. That's it, your Grok AI answer is screenshot cleanly and ready to share.